Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Random Collection. Today we have another product to unbox and check what actually it is and then what for it is. Today we have a product called EasyTouch GCU. I'm pretty sure you already have gotten the idea that this is of course a medical equipment, or let's say a device that we can use it. It's clearly written in here that it can be used for blood glucose, cholesterol, uric acid, and then it's used to monitor, or let's say check those three things. Then after, you can clearly see in here that the results are different. For example, for the glucose, it needs 10 seconds to check it. For the uric acid, it needs 20 seconds, and then for cholesterol, it needs 15 seconds. For its memory, it is able to store around 200 let's say tests of glucose, uric acid 50, and then of course cholesterol as well 50. From the side, it looks like this, made in Taiwan, and from here it looks exactly like that. So I think it's giving us the instruction in here that, for example, insert the test strip for for the three of them. They have given the instruction in here, and of course we have to pass our blood to the let's say test strip, and then it's going to we have to press the button, and then it's going to give us the result within 10 seconds. Different each one of them are having different specific time for the test. I think these two, for cholesterol, for glucose 10 seconds, for cholesterol 15, and then for UA, or the uric acid, it's 20 seconds. The color which I have ordered is silver, and let's open it. Okay, it has a pouch. This is the pouch. It has a book. This book, of course, is used to, let's say, take a note of all of those results on daily basis. So you can take a memo of that one, or note of them. And then this is the user manual. You can see it teaches us how to use it, but actually I think it is in Bahasa Indonesia. That should be okay. We can use, okay, in here it's English. The first page was in Bahasa Indonesia, but the others are all in English, I think. Yep, English. Alright, let's check the product itself. So for this one, let's open and check the pouch. Alright, we have it this way. This is the, I think, chip. Okay, let's bring it out first. This is the main device. We put it aside, and this one, I'm not very sure what it actually is. It's also my first time. I think this one is used to pierce the finger in order to let the blood come out, and then we use the device to test it out. So let's check it out. This is the gun, or I don't know whether I have to call it gun or pencil or pen. We can open it. I think, I'm not sure how to open it. Oh yeah, this way. So I think we put this one in here, and then of course, yeah, we put it in here. Then once it's loaded, we press this button. Okay, we put this one in this, and then we close the lid like this. Then once it's loaded, we only take it in here, and then we press the button. Look like this. Once it's done, then the tip is going to be pierced, and then the blood will flow out. This one is for uric acid. You can clearly see it's written. It is written uric acid. I think each one of them, okay, 10 tests. So this one is having 10 tests, 10 strips. this one is also having 10 strips, but this one is for glucose, for the sugar level. By the way, we can use it to for the sugar, for the glucose, we can use it to check the sugar level, like the one that we are fasting around 8 to 10 hours, I think. After that, we can test it. Like we should not have eaten anything for the past 8 to 10 hours. Then it's going to give us the result. And as well, the one that we have, like let's say we have 2 hours ago, we have eaten the food. Then after 2 hours of that, we can also determine or check the blood in order to understand the glucose level. All right. This one is for cholesterol. Okay, it is only having 5 strips. So this one is 5, this one is 10, and this one is also 10. So it's 10, 10, 5. They're all in one package. This one I'm not very sure about these. Okay, check, it's written check in here, but no idea what kind of check they are talking about. Alright, we will find it out later. So it's also having the AAA battery and a couple of it. And inside the pouch, there is nothing else, I believe. Okay, there is nothing else. So let's put it aside. The device itself. Okay, it looks exactly like that. What you're supposed to do is, of course, we're going to put the batteries in here. And let's find it out, plus minus. Okay, this side should be minus, like this, and then opposite. Yeah. Oh, it's not working. Should it be this way? It's not working. I don't know why they have placed it both exactly the same, but the signs are different. Oh, it does not go inside. Okay, let's try it this way. Alright, success. Okay, so we're going to close the lid, and now, okay, so this part, whenever we're supposed to test the let's say glucose, we need to put this kind of chip inside. For example, this one can go inside here. I don't know how to put it because this was also my first time. No idea. Maybe it's different. Let's check it out inside. Okay. That device is different, of course. This one is another thing. I cannot touch it because my hands are not my hands are not clean. You can see that chip has to go inside this port, and then once it's in here, then one of those strips from this one, you can see we are going to put it right in here. And then with these, of course, before we do that, I also have ordered the one swap. It's around 100 pieces of these are inside this package supply. We can use this one in order to clean the part of the finger that we are supposed to pierce. Once it's cleaned, then we are going to use this one inside this, and then we press this one in order to pierce this part. Then once the blood starts flowing, the chip goes in here, and then the strip goes in here. Then we place it exactly like this, so that the blood flows on the chip. It's having a kind of not chip, it's strip. The strip is having a kind of opening in there. So we just bring it close. Then it's going to absorb the blood on its own. Then we press the button, and according to this chip, it's going to check out whether it's let's say for glucose, for maybe uric acid, for whatever reason it's going to be. So it's going to pull it out the details, and then it's going to give you the information here. So you can take a note of that inside the book that they have given, or the notebook that they have given. Alright, I think that's all. I'll be, if I need, I'll be testing it out. Then of course I'm going to keep you guys in the loop with the video. You can have a look at it, and then you can see how it performs. Thank you guys for sticking with us. See you guys in the next video. Peace.